Recording 8.
Where am I? How did I get in the basement? Oh my god! What the hell? Why won't this thing shut off? Why are you doing this to me? What did you do to them?
I told you.
Please! Don't kill me, please!
You are Omega. So yes.
I am Alpha and Omega. The beginning and the end. No, I didn't!
You shot him.
No! You're a liar! Why won't this fucking thing shut off?
The police are coming. You called it.
You're lying! Stop doing this to me!
You would not leave.
It's over. My life. Everything. Just please, would you listen to this? Just know that I didn't do this in my own right mind. This place has something in it. Don't let anyone come back here. Ah!
End of recordings. Main menu.
Arrived here about 3:30. Of course, we were all anxious to get settled, and about an hour after our arrival, we were busy pitching tents and later partook of a meal. Par excellence. Hardtack and chicken with his clothes on, meaning cheese and bread.
Nous sommes arrivés ici vers 3h30 de l'après-midi. Bien sûr, nous étions tous pressés de nous installer. Environ une demi-heure après notre arrivée, nous étions déjà en train de piquer nos tentes et bientôt nous prenions part au repas par excellence. Pain de guerre et poulet enrobé. En d'autres mots, pain avec fromage.
You'll be alright, you will be fine when the light of day hits your eyes right square in the face. Then you realize how that good feeling tastes. Where I came from, what I've done and what I've seen. That little pride is alive and all around. I'd rather stay